Hey yo, the Voyager here. So I recently posted a video of a tour of my apartment in DC, and a lot of people have been asking me how much I pay for rent, that kind of thing, ballpark numbers. So I figured I'd give you guys a full financial breakdown in this video, because that's just something I would want to know if I was moving to a place, like how much it costs, like utilities, what you get for what you pay, that kind of thing. So I'm going to be breaking it down in this video. I actually have to go check my mail, so we're going to do a little walk and talk action. If you haven't seen my apartment tour video yet, go ahead and watch it after this video. It's really cool, I promise. But for now, I'll leave you guys with a sneak peek, and let's go. So we are currently in Southwest DC. I used to live up in Northwest DC, so there are like 4 parts of DC. There's Northwest, Northeast, Southwest, and Southeast. And I did a little bit of research. I think Northwest is the most expensive part of DC to live in. So I think it goes Northwest and then Southwest and then Northeast and then Southeast. So if you're looking for like a studio or a 1-bedroom, the range is typically between like 1,800 to 2,200 for Northwest, and then it kind of goes down from there. But obviously you can find places that are a little bit cheaper. It just kind of all varies depending on what you find. So I live in a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, so the price is a little bit higher. So the average price for a 2-bedroom in DC is $3,300 a month. But I am paying $1,140 a month. And so I'll give you guys a full financial breakdown of how that works out. All right, so average price for a 2-bedroom in DC is $3,300. Obviously, so that's split over 2 people. So that's not one person paying $3,300, that's 2 people paying $3,300. Now, how did I get a deal to pay $1,140? I'll tell you that right now. So originally, when I was looking at apartments, I was moving back a couple of months ago, so not everybody was vaccinated yet. I was trying to capitalize on the COVID deals for apartments. During COVID, a lot of people, or a lot of apartment companies had to decrease their prices because they didn't have a lot of people moving in. A lot of people went back home, saved some rent, lived with the parents a little bit. That's what I did. So I was looking for my apartments, and I found this 2-bedroom. So original quoted price, if you go on the website for this apartment unit, it's $2,510 for the 2-bedroom per month, right? So the $2,510, I found somebody's lease to take over. That person was moving out, and they needed somebody to take over their lease. So they were offering the same offer that the apartment building was offering, which was 2 months free of rent. So 2 months free of rent off of $2,510. The lease was for 8 months. So 2 months free of rent off of that brings it down to about $1,880 per month, right? So $1,880 per month over these 8 months, and I moved in with my roommate Thomas, who you guys met. And so if you split the $1,880, it comes out to $940 a month, or $940 per bedroom, right? Which is really good. So the reason I pay $1,140 is because I chose to pick the room that has the big window and the bathroom attached. And so I said, okay, Thomas, like, we have to just pay $1,880. I'll pay $200 more because I have the window and the bathroom. So that's why I pay $1,140 per month, and then Thomas pays $740 per month just for rent, right? So that's just for rent. Now, if we take into account all of the other utilities and expenses that I have just for my living costs, so all of the utilities are split by 2, so keep that in mind. So we have $1,140 per month for the rent, which, good deal. All about a good deal. So I found it. I was very excited. It's a nice apartment building, has good amenities. Can't ask for more than that, right? I got the gym, I got the pool. $1,140, very cool. So on top of the $1,140, I pay $250 a month to have a parking spot in a garage, which parking in DC it's tough. Like it's very expensive, but it's tough to find. I was willing to pay a little bit more just to have the parking spot right below my building, so that's convenience. So $1,140, and then the $250 for parking. So as part of the rent includes a pest control fee. So they do like some pest control care in the month, I guess. It includes water. It includes like a sewage fee. and then it includes like a trash fee, right? So those are all lumped into the $11.40 that I pay for my rent. So aside from that, so utilities that aren't covered, we have to pay electricity. So I pay $30 a month, it's $60 total. I pay $30 a month for electricity, and then for internet, cable, I didn't get cable, so I mean, there's so many streaming services nowadays that I was like, I have most, if not all, the streaming services, so I don't really need the cable. So we just decided to get really fast internet. We got the top internet plan, also got a deal for that. Again, love the deals. So I am paying $30 a month for my share of the internet, super fast internet, and then we have renter's insurance, which is about $6 a month. So if you add all that up, then I pay per month for my apartment and utilities $14.56. So $14.50 to have my own bedroom and bathroom in DC, in a pretty good part of DC, Southwest DC, right near the water, right near the Wharf. I think that's a pretty good deal. One of the really good deals that I found. Saving money, always good. You don't want to pour all your money into rent. Like, yes, it's nice to have a nice place, but if you can find a nice place and for a good deal, that's what you gotta do. So yes, so all in all, $14.50 total, $11.40 per month for rent. That's how much I pay. That is a pretty good deal in DC, I would say. Back in Northwest, we also had a good deal, and that was around $14.50 to $1,500 with utilities included, with parking included. I had much more space because that was like a townhouse sort of setup, so we had much more living space. My bedroom is about the same size. I actually like having the amenities here a little bit more, but the other one, the location was a little bit better. So just some trade-offs. So yeah, that is how I came to pay $11.40 a month for my apartment in DC. If you guys want to see more videos like this, more videos about me figuring out stuff about how to live like an adult, this is actually my first time taking care of all the utilities and finding an apartment, that kind of stuff by myself. Let me know in the comments below. I could do like a how I found my apartment video, things I learned about DC, what there is to do in DC, that kind of thing. I can do those videos as well. Just let me know in the comments below. But I'll catch you guys in the next video. Voyager, out.